And as you can see, I'm not BSing you. Here's the window that was just in this. Not a mark to be had, and I can reuse both pieces. Awesome. So you're junkyard hunting and you want to put a rear sliding window in, or you want to change your window, whatever, and you don't want to buy new window rubbers and you don't want to break the glass? Well, I'm going to show you a really easy way to take out the windows in 1980 to 96 trucks. But this will also, transfer over to a lot of different make and models. Let's get at this quick tech tip. Welcome to Iowa State Garage. I want to save this rubber because I'm cheap and poor. So what we're going to do, we're going to use basically 2 screwdrivers. Don't force it. Whatever you do, it's not worth forcing the glass. But what we're trying to do, if I peel this back, there's actually no sealant or anything that holds this window in. It's just the aluminum base or steel base, depending on your year. So all we're going to do is slowly work this guy out. Really that simple. So we'll put the screwdrivers in. We can get a bite. Here we go, I got a bite. And now I'm just going to slowly work it out. There we go. All right, so now that I got this past the initial lip, I'm just going to work my way back. And basically, once we get the top out, it relieves all the pressure in the window. We can basically pop it out. The rear sliding glass, they're actually easier to do than the normal glass, simply for the fact that you can bring this guy in, and then you only have unflexible here, unflexible there. The center will flex a little bit, making it a lot easier for you to remove. Gone. It won't take a whole lot now to get it out. So I'm just going to pull on this channel just a little bit. Okay, he's nice and loose. I'll come back here because he's still channeled in on this side, but it won't take very much to get him out. There we go. And now you want to lift up and just kind of rock it back and forth just a little bit. And she'll come right out. And there we go. One rear sliding window, and the rubber is still very, very much